How long can we live without food? How long can we live without water? How long can we live without air? We spend half of our lives sleeping. That shouldn't mean we spend only half our time breathing.
Hi, my name is Dr. Martin Gorman, and I'm here to talk to you about the SOS Strip. I thought of the idea of the SOS Strip about 2-3 years ago when I was putting on a Breathe Right strip onto my nose to open my nasal airway so I could breathe better at night and not snore and bother my wife. And as I'm putting it on, I said to myself, boy, if this was dual-sided, I could put one side on my teeth and one side to hold my tongue against my lower front teeth, like this. Now, in 70% of apnea cases, the obstruction is the tongue falling back and blocking the airway. If someone has a mild to early moderate apnea, they can use the strip alone, holds the tongue right to the teeth, and the blockage doesn't happen in the airway as you breathe air in. For more advanced cases where a patient may be using a mandibular advancement appliance that moves your jaw like this, that opens the airway. And really what it's doing is, since the tongue is attached to the floor of the mouth, when you move the jaw forward, the tongue comes forward. And when that happens, it opens up the obstruction. Now, if you use the strip in conjunction with the advancement appliance, there will be less advancement because there isn't much of a blockage. So therefore, it can be used in conjunction with an oral appliance. And then, of course, with the CPAP.
CPAP and other traditional treatments have a very low adherence rate after the first few months, because who wants to wear Darth Vader's mask all night?
They leak, they cause irritation, there's a massive amount of air blowing into most people, and it's very uncomfortable for a lot of people to wear.
The problems of sleep apnea and snoring have always been clear. Finally, so is the solution.
Any person that has an issue, it can make their treatment much more comfortable.
With the simple overnight strip, you can get the oxygen your body and brain need, with the level of comfort you deserve. The simple overnight strip, invented by Dr. Martin N. Gorman. We are almost there, but we still need your help to get the SOS solution into a store near you. As our patented all-natural oral adhesive is being fine-tuned, several rounds of testing will of course be required, as well as a number of clinical trials. These phases of development cost more than they probably should, and as a result, a lot of great healthcare products and treatments never get to see the light of day. The simple overnight strip will improve the sleep and overall health of millions. Let's make sure it gets that chance. Check out our great perks below. And don't forget to share the link to this campaign on Facebook and spread the word about healthy sleep to the people you care about.